Hello, how there you are. Welcome to Fortitude Shammah craft. Today we'll be making a beautiful key holder. Beautiful key holder. This is it. So this is what we are making, and I believe by the time you finish watching this video, you'll be able to make it yourself. So let's start. Material needed is staple. This is straw board. Straw board. This straw board, you use it to draw your pattern, so that by next time if you are making the same thing, you won't need to measure it, to be measuring it again. You just place it on your leather to cut it out. So this is straw board. This is chipboard. It's just like a cardboard. So is for the same purpose. So you can, if you don't have any of this, you can make use of your cardboard or calendar or the paper of your draw, of any drug that you have. So just to draw a pattern of what you want to make. So I have two patterns here. This is from the chipboard, straw board, and this is from the chipboard. So I have the two patterns ready, but I'm going to tell you how I get the measurement. You will need your ruler. Is either you have this or you have nail, just to punch a hole on the key holder. So you can make use of this or this. It depends on the type of leather you are working on. This is the holder. So we have silver color, we have gold color. So this is another holder. It depends on how you want it. So you can get this where they are selling leather materials. So you have it. So you have your pen or magic pen. You can also get it where they are selling accessories, where they are selling accessories, bag accessory. That's where you can get this. So some call it magic pen or white pen. It's the same, for the same purpose. And this one is erasable. Once you stain your leather, you can erase it either with oil or mix oil and water, a little oil to clean your. It depends on the type of leather you are working on. Some leather, once it touches, you can use only water to clean it. So you have to know your leather. You will need your plier. If you don't have plier, you need the hammer. If you don't have hammer, just get something iron that you can use to punch a hole on your leather. So that is all we need for this class. So sorry, also we need rivet. We call this rivet. Some call it tokotaya. We have gold color, we have this color. I don't know what to call it. So we don't call it tokotaya. So that is what we are going to use to hold the leather together after punching. So this is how it will look like at the end of the class. So this is all we need for the class. So if you are watching my video for the first time, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. We are on TikTok, so you can follow us on our social medias. So on our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe so that you'll be getting notification whenever we upload new video. Please click on like button, share for others to benefit, and if you have any question, just write it on the comment section. I will surely answer your question. Thank you. So I'm using the cover of calendar. You can use any paper to draw your pattern. So the measurement is 6 inches. 6 inches by half and quarter. I'm going to show you half and quarter. 6 inches by half and quarter. So this is quarter. This is quarter of it. So you are going to take your ruler, you connect the line together. Connect the line together. Cut it out. So that is the pattern for this key holder. Can you see it? So it's the same thing. So what you do now is to place it on your leather and cut it out, which I have done. This is the leather I'm using. This is double face. You can use both sides. This is double face and it's a little bit thick, 60 material. So if you are buying any material, let it be double face or material that is a little bit thick. So this one is not double face and it's light. It's light. So it depends on any material you are using. So the next thing is to take your rivet. I'm using this color. Take your rivet. So I'm using this is rivet. So you are going to take your rivet. I'm using this ring holder. Then I will need my nail or this. If the leather is too thick like this, you might not be able to use this. You might not be able to use this unless you pick it one after the other. So you are going to fold it by 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches. Can you see it? But before we punch it, before we fold it, you are going to give the edge a shape. It depends. You can give it any shape. It's not necessary you use the shape I'm using. Give it any shape to make it beautiful. Okay, I think I'm okay now. So put your ring holder, then take your measuring tape and measure 2.5 inches. And if you want it longer, you can measure 2 inches. It depends on what. Yes, this is, I think I'm okay with this. So you are going to put your ring. Can you see it? Measure 2 inches instead of 2.5 so that the ring holder will be free. 2 inches instead of 2.5. 2 inches. Can you see it? Measure 2 inches instead of 2.5. So at this point we are going to punch. So let me try this. At least I have given it a sign. So the next thing is to punch it with your hammer in this form. So I've punched it. So I'm going to make it free. Since I have seen the hole, can you see it? So you are going to take the rivet. Can you see? Just look at the way I'm fixing it. This will be down part, at the down part. This one will be at. So you are going to take it from the down part. From the down part, just fix it in. Can you see it? Then this will go again. Fix it in. Then this will come. this way. Can you see it? So it has come out. So the next thing is to take the cover, place it on top of it. If you don't have plier, just place it on a wool and use your hammer or something to just nail it down a little bit. So can you see it? So it's ready. The key holder is ready. Can you see it? So if you want it longer, you can add this to it. So don't waste your leather again. So this is another method. Can you see it? So we are through making it. This is Fortitude Shammah Craft. This is Fortitude Shammah Craft 0813 97 84467. Please like, comment if you are blessed with this tutorial. Like, comment and share for others to benefit. Then don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification button so that you'll be able to get information whenever we upload new video. Thank you for watching. Bye.